Hello, this is Sonja from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Today I'm going to do a Ella Roetz entry, or I'm going to do some FaithDex cards. And as I've mentioned previously, that she's celebrating 5 years having a Bible journaling company doing printables, and she is releasing some printables every week this month to celebrate it. And I'm going to use these two beautiful printables. I love the fact that it is still sort of autumny colors for you guys in the northern hemisphere, but for us who are celebrating spring, it is still suitable because it is still spring-like colors too. And the girls is beautiful dress in some summer clothes, so you can use it for both seasons. So as I said, I'm going to do FaithDex cards. So this pattern paper is also some of the printables from last week. I've just used some pattern paper from there. So that's nice that all the color schemes are the same this month. That's usually what she tries to do. She release twice, usually twice a month she release printables, and she always keep it in the same color scheme. So that's nice, so you can go back and use previous printables. So I have a video how to make FaithDex cards and how I make that and make a box, my own box for it. So if you want to see that video, I'll link it down below and also here at the top. So I'm not going to show you exactly how to do it now. But I've, as I said, just made, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a pocket, which I often like to do with my FaithDex cards, because I want to put some journaling cards in there, just to write down my journaling. So the first FaithDex card I'm doing is I'm using this cute little girl sitting down, and it is from Psalm 46 verse 7, and it is that beautiful psalm that talks about God is our strength. And in verse 1 it says, God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. And then verse 7, which she concentrates on, is the Lord of hosts is with us, the God of Jacob is our fortress. And it's just a good reminder to remind that God is with us. He's our help in an ever present time of trouble. Whenever we have trouble, He is our fortress. We can run to Him, and He will give us victory where needed. So I just love the Psalms. You can never read the Psalms enough. As I said many times before, I'm reading through the Bible in a year, and this reading plan is you read through the Psalms twice. So that's just continuously every day I read something from the Psalms. So it is so good. So if you read through Leviticus and you just think, I can't find anything sort of uplifting, which I don't agree with. I love the book of Leviticus. I think there's lots to be found there. But sometimes you're probably going to find a book in the Bible which is not so uplifting. Then you always have that bit of Psalms which will help you with something. So in the meantime, you've seen me decorate it with all the flowers and the little girl. And there at the back, I've decided to use a doily. These doilies is in my Etsy shop. So if you're interested to have that, I'll link obviously my Etsy shop down below. Also, it's in all colors you can have. So I've just printed a doily. I like to back sometimes my title with a doily. So I've just done that. And then I made a cute little bow in that little tag. And I'm just popping it inside. So now I'm moving over to the next card. But as you can see, the girl was a little bit too big. So I'm just contemplating, so like cut off her legs, or so like pop her at the top. But then I knew if I put her to the top there, it's going to be a white space at the back of her head. And I'm just not going to like that. But in the meantime, I'm just using my lovely crocodile, which my friend Brenda from America sent me. And I'm just making a little hole there with a small little eyelet, because I want to hang one of these little tags, which is, we're looking at Psalm 23, and obviously the bit where it says that your rod and your staff comfort me. And yet again, it's another beautiful psalm that is just reassuring, knowing that God is with us and that His rod and staff is comforting us. Meaning that, sometimes we need discipline, and that's going to comfort us. Sometimes we just need direction, and that is also going to comfort us. So I love how that little dangling little label is hanging off the eyelet. I think that's very cute. And then I decided to use some of my other doilies again, and I'm just cutting it in half. And I'm just going to put that on the one side of the tag and put the girl on there. And then I decide I'm actually going to cut her legs off. I'm sorry about that, but I still think it looks okay. It doesn't look funny. I don't think so. And then I love this little Polaroids, but I don't think I'm going to use it for this one. And I'm just going to spread all the little cute flowers which is lovely, very cute and dainty all over it. Underneath the little label that's hanging also there. And then these cute little tags or labia tags, I'm going to just pop also in there because I've made another little pocket also for this FaithDex card, just to put my journaling in there. And at the end, you will see how I've done my journaling. So I hope you all have had a lovely Thanksgiving in America. We don't celebrate Thanksgiving here in South Africa, although I think it's a wonderful tradition just to have one day to be thankful for what God has done for us, or to be thankful. It's such a good practice. So I hope all my American friends had a lovely Thanksgiving. And yeah, just a reminder, this is a Black Friday today, so I've got a sale in my Etsy shop, and it's 50% off. And if you buy anything above $2 rather, you will get 50% off. So yeah, go ahead and make use of it. Maybe a printable you always wanted. Yeah, that is now the time for you to do that. And of course, I will leave all Ella's details down below if you want to pop over to her shop also. Thanks very much for watching. I really appreciate it. You must have a fantastic weekend, and God willing, I'll speak to you on Tuesday. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'd love to have you as part of this family. You must have a great day. God bless. Bye-bye.